think the fascinating thing about AI is there are a couple of development, what are the big areas of development is on the algorithm side, right? And I think that's a highly technical field. A lot of folks from different areas like computer science, statistics, are involved in the development of these algorithms. Now, what is less understood and less researched is actually how managers will actually interact with these algorithms and AI in implementing these solutions. Right now it seems like one of the common themes is like a human machine would actually do better than just the humans or the machines. And I think that is true. But I think what is less understood, which I'm exploring in my research, is when do you have humans intervene and when do you stop the humans from intervention, right? So these kinds of questions where we figure out the boundaries between the algorithm and humans are something that has been less explored and is going to be of more importance as AI takes a more central role in industry.
I think AI can help improve social science research in multiple ways. For instance, by allowing us to analyze more varied forms of data about society, for instance, through the use of natural language processing. And I think that AI can also improve how young researchers like myself test out ideas and acquire new skills. For instance, if you have an idea and you would require learning a new method, using generative AI can be a great way to have a gentle introduction into how that method works and whether it would be suitable for the idea that you have.
So I guess if I focus on like the research field, I think AI is already like bringing together a lot of different departments and fields and researchers. And I think this is really exciting because it's leading to more like interdisciplinary collaboration, and there's like technical and societal problems like coming together. So I think this will be like super exciting, and I think it will lead to like new breakthroughs. I think there'll be like new approaches to existing problems. And then I think it could also make research like more accessible. So like easier and like faster ways to write code, or like speeding up computations, faster ways to like process huge data sets, and helping with like maybe some more administrative tasks, leaving time for like more creative things. So I think it could make it more accessible to other people.
In many ways, AI has already been used in the news industry and in the news and information ecosystem for a couple of years. In many cases, in news organizations, that has meant that certain tasks get retooled. So basically, what news organizations do doesn't necessarily change, but the way they're doing changes, and they can increasingly use AI to help them with that. In many ways, AI is increasingly happening all across the news industry. And of course, it's already been happening on the digital infrastructures on which we as consumers produce, share, and consume news and information. And increasingly with generative AI, of course, we will see that sort of being applied more broadly across those platforms and products.